Hello friend, in this lecture we will see register storage class. Till now we have seen auto, static, external storage class in my previous lecture. In this lecture we will understand about the register storage class. What is this register? Register keyword means requesting to OS that variable value stored in CPU internal register. Requesting to OS that save the variable value in CPU internal register. Allocate memory for this register. Allocate memory for this variable into register if available. We are requesting here. We are mentioning register means we are requesting to OS. We are not commanding to OS. Okay. Let's take some example. We'll understand better way. Okay. Let's me write one file p1.c stdio.h integer main integer I same as earlier. We are not changing anything here. I percentage d slash n I. Okay. Hmm. Just here we are mentioning key register. Okay. Here we are mentioning one extra key register. This means we are requesting to OS store this variable in internal CPU register because of so and so reason. That reason we will discuss later. Let's compile this. GCC let's show p1. Let's run it. Okay, variable value I. We are not declare anything. We are not assign it, yeah, initialize anything. So it's giving 0 value. So here, let's open a program again. Sorry, I wrote command wrongly. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. What is the default value of this register? What is the default value of the register storage type variable? 0. Default value of register storage type is 0. No. Default value of register storage type is garbage value. We cannot predict value. This somehow OS is giving 0 value. That doesn't mean it has a 0 value like static and external, but this is like as auto. This is same like as auto. Default value of register storage type is garbage value. If we initialize with some value, then it will be definite sure value, but default value is garbage value. Okay. Now, second thing, what is the scope of the register storage class? Scope of register storage class is within a block, same as auto. Here I am comparing this register storage class with auto to make you understand better. Okay, see what is the scope of variable, this register class variable. So within this block, beyond this scope we cannot access. Okay, so this is again same as a auto variable. What is the third thing? See, we will write here default value, garbage. Okay, same as auto. Spelling mistake. Default value garbage. Scope within a block. Third, lifetime. Again, this is again same as auto variable. Lifetime. When function execute start and when function execute end. Lifetime of this variable register storage class variable start when function execute start. Yeah, block execution start and end when block execution or function execution complete. Lifetime. So same as I am mentioning is same as auto. Okay, till now everything is same. Okay, just one thing is different. Where does it store? So it using this keyword, we are requesting to OS store in CPU internal register if registers are available. Otherwise, it will store in stack memory, same as auto. Just difference is we are requesting, that is one extra. Remaining all thing is same. Okay, some few difference are there that also we'll discuss. But till now everything is same. One more point we'll discuss. It is not possible to use reference operator for the register storage type. Since it is storage in CPU internal register as we are requesting to OS, we cannot use reference operator with this. Okay, let's take example and we can see and what error we are getting. p1.c p1.c copying to copying p1.c to p2.c p2.c. Just instead of this, let's site copy this address of I. For address X we will use this one. Okay, let's compile and see what happen. See, address of register variable I requested. Okay, that is not possible in case of register storage class. Okay, now till now we discuss why we need to request to OS for register storage class to store in CPU internal register for faster execution. CPU fetch data from register is faster than the RAM. Okay, so we are requesting to OS store in internal register. Why is required? Why is required? Required because to faster execution, suppose mention is somewhere in big program we are looping one variable which is frequently used in our program. In that case, we can request OS to store it in the CPU internal register. Okay, see, now till now we discuss register we can request, but some disadvantage also we could find here, like we could not use reference operator, so we cannot scan it. We can scan it means we cannot use scanf function like like uh, just just for example bi p2.c to p3.c. Here we cannot use this scanf function. Since we cannot use address operator, we cannot use this scanf function. So these two disadvantage I find with this function, with this register storage class. Okay, some more points also there. We can specify register storage class only for integer character and pointer type. For other type it is a automatically treated as a, for other type it is not allowed. Okay, so this is what about a register storage class. Okay, so we discuss, so till now we discuss register storage class. In that we discuss default value is garbage, same as auto. What is the lifetime of that variable? When function or block execution start, it will create and destroy when function or block execution is completed. This is again same as auto. What is scope is again within a block or within a function, again same as auto variable. Third one, where does it store? The auto is stored in stack memory, where register we are requesting to store in CPU register. But if somehow memory is not there, our registers are not available, then it will store in stack section, RAM memory. Okay, so this is what about the register storage class. Okay, see, in my last lecture we have seen external storage class. So one point I missed, so I am adding here. See, taking one example, p8.c. Okay, so here I'm writing stdio.h integer main. Okay, sorry, and I'm using one printf function. I'm just trying to use one variable I is equal to percentage %d slash n I. Okay. Here I am not declared this variable, not defined this variable. I'm taking one other file. Okay. So here integer I is equal to 20 define, sorry, I is equal to 20 define. Okay. Okay. I'm compiling this p8.c p9.c and generating one binary bin. Okay. Undeclared. Okay. This is what you know already. If you don't know, please go to my previous lecture of external storage class and check all this detail. See, here I am declaring variable integer I. Okay. So this is allowing to use variable I from p9.c file to p8.c file. So here I am discussing. Here I am declaring this I as a global linkage. Global. So throughout this file we can use. In entire file we can use this. Okay. Let's see. Let's see and compile. Okay. Okay. Done. Now see the difference. Now I am extending this one here within a function within a main. So in this case I can use this I in this block only. So this is called local linkage. This I variable has a local linkage. This is also compile and give same output. Sorry, correct. Okay, but difference is here from p9.c file we are using variable I with local linkage. Up to this main function only we are using. In this case, in main function also we can use, and if we are defining some other functions, let's say suppose we are defining some other function also, we can use here, we can use this one. Okay, but in this case it will give error because this variable is declared within a main, so we cannot use it in abc function. But if we declare as a global linkage globally, then we can use in throughout the file. Sorry. Okay, so this is what I missed in last lecture, so I'm covering it here. Okay, second thing, we have discussed auto also and global also. Global both storage class. Suppose assume one integer a variable is declared as a global and same name variable is declared in somewhere in block, so which one will be accessible? And suppose let's say one example, it will be clear, more clear. Include stdio.h. This is most important. Okay, suppose I am printing one variable I variable. Okay, now I am declaring here with 10. Okay, so its output will be, sorry, let me give one some name to this binary, p10 10. Okay, good, till now is fine. Now I am declaring is as a integer I is equal to 20. Here 10 I am declaring it 10. Compile again, 20. Okay, now assume both I am declaring. This is most important. So which one it will take? Let's see. 10. It has taken 10. So in this case, it will take local. Now, if you want to use this variable, Here both variable has a name same name. Suppose you want to use this variable, so there is no provision in C language. There is a provision in CPP language, but no C language. Okay, now let's see one more example. Now now what will be output? What will be output? I 10. So it has taken this one local. Now I am declaring again I is equal to 30. Okay, first of all, will it compile? Yes, it will compile because there is a block. This is called block. This is again called block. This is block. So this is declared inside the block. Now which one will take? Local. Which is local? This one is local for this now. What will be output? 30. Correct? Okay. I hope these all fundamentals things are clear. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. I hope you find something good in this lecture. If you find something good, please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend. Thank you guys.